Hi everyone and welcome to Fun with Code. In this video, we are going to see how to merge PDFs using Python. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and smash the like button. Without any further delay, let's have fun with code. First, let's install the module which is PyPdf2. So let's open command prompt and just type pip install PyPdf2. I've already installed this module, so it says requirement already satisfied. So now let's import the module from PyPdf2 import PDF file merger, and now we are going to create a list which contains the files, PDF files. You can give a number of files. So let's create a list. Now I have three files, which is one.pdf, and make sure that you write everything inside quotes. And now here we are going to create a for loop, or we can do this without for loop. So let's do this with for loop. Now we'll create a variable which will be the instance of this module. So let's create a variable called merge, which is equal to PDF file merger. And now we'll write a for loop for file in files. We are going to say merge dot append file. Now we are going to write and here we'll give the name of the file, which will be 4, or let's say output.pdf. And now we'll close the module here. Now let's save this and let's run the program and see if it works. And nothing happened, so let's check for the file. So let's go to the folder and we have a file called output, which contains all the three PDF, which the first PDF is of this Python logo, and the second PDF is my banner. The third PDF is my logo. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like this video.